say where to take the next siding.
That's right. It's due in 5 minutes.
It's a good thing we don't have a long string of cars to worry about clearing the main.
I synchronized my watch with the conductors back at the yard. What time do you have?
I have 15 after the hour exactly.
All right, let's get trackside and get a look over as it passes.
There she is now, right on schedule.
So, did you see anything abnormal?
I didn't see any smoke, but I heard that flat spot about 4 cars behind the tender.
I'll call the tower on the trackside phone and let them know that we're ready to go.
Good idea.
We're clear, and the conductor just gave us the highball.